Und manchmal hat man dann so Tage, da legt man sich in den Park und denkt, ach, ist doch eigentlich ganz schön hier bleibe ich. Und das sind die meisten Tage. Und genau über so einen Tag handelt der nächste Song, Butterfly. Kannst du das
Das muss so sein. Wollte ich euch jetzt nicht anlegen?
Wir haben nach wie vor Zeit. Zumindest ein bisschen.
Vielleicht doch so zwischen dieser Pusten ist es okay.
Da ist der Zwischending.
Ah, das ist auch besser.
Yesterday I was nearly crazy, but today I am only lazy. So I got outside where the sun shines bright, wandered away from all the stress. So I lay down in the grass, lift my eye into the sky, and what I saw spilled a butterfly. So get me up before you push me down. Like my butter friend, I wish I could fly around. My butter friend sings a song, and with him I try to sing along, sing along. Asleep, we fly so high. He got me up this little butterfly, took me up right to the sun. Well, we will be always on the run. Get me out of here, out of this atmosphere, to another place far away from this space. Take me out, oh please, take me out. Thoughts of the butterfly kept me awake last night. These lovely little things can fly so high. He looks down and I sees me lying in that grass, and my thoughts are rising up to him. You got me up before you pushed me down. Like my body friend, I wish I could fly around. My body friend sings a song, and with him I try to sing along, sing along. My body friend flies around, I let my ears follow his sound. These lovely things that took me out, these lovely things should have never stopped. I woke up, my better friend was gone. Last thing I saw, his shadow on the horizon.